Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand today inaugurated the exclusive special court NIA at Thoubal Court Complex in Kangabok, Thoubal district. The court has been established to ensure faster disposal of cases investigated by National Investigation Agency. The inaugural event was jointly organized by High Court of Manipur and State Department of Law and Legislative Affairs. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand said the newly established NIA court would help expedite the trial of NIA-related cases within the state, reducing delays and expenditures caused by proceedings conducted outside Manipur. He stated that the court would strengthen access to justice and provide significant relief to the people. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Justice of the High Court of Manipur, Justice M. Sundar said the court was established under Section 11 of National Investigation Agency Act 2008. He noted that the inauguration followed directions issued by the Supreme Court, within which in its May 8 order had directed that a special court be set up within 1 month. Home Minister Govindas Konthaujam, Kangabo MLA O. Surya Kumar, Justices A. Bimol, A. Guneshwar, Principal Secretary Law Arun Kumar and other senior officials attended the inaugural event.
Manipur'da yananba NIA gi court ama leibasina justice bill deliver to matamda phagi khumang chapsanna thuna tawani haibagi hajawa thanjari loinana irang leiba lebakina NIA related court case aduki matik yamna leibanina ekoi client singna mapanda chatna am expensive waina chalam buduma handarani haibagi adugi aingonda hause loinana justice deliver to buda atuba matamda tawagi system ama nakna ledabanina oiragani aina khajaraganda 18 million
and constitutional fidelity without any gap between each other. This is the constitutional philosophy underpinning establishment of this exclusive court today. With these words, I convey my best wishes to the learned presiding officer, the members of the bar, both prosecutors and defense counsel, court staff, investigating agents and every stakeholder